Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call